Hello friends, this is Sunandh Subhramaniam here, commodity fundamental analyst from Choice Equity Broking Private Limited, and today I'll be talking about two commodities from the non-agriculture sector. Among the non-agriculture sector, the first commodity that I would like to touch upon is on crude oil, and crude oil has shown a very good recovery in the past couple of weeks, majorly due to increased buying from the Chinese sector, as there has been huge demand from the manufacturing and the industrial sectors in the Chinese economy. Looking ahead, we can expect that the MCX crude futures to remain bullish as there is further optimism regarding the COVID-19 vaccine to come up in the coming weeks, which is also another critical factor that is also driving the global crude prices as well as the energy sector prices in the global markets. Furthermore, there are expectancy of supply cuts to remain intact by the OPEC member countries. The OPEC member countries are likely to take this decision on 30th of November 2020 as they are going to gather regarding the upcoming decision regarding the supply demand scenario in the global markets. In addition to that, we can also witness that the US dollar index is trading at the lower levels in compared to the previous 2-3 weeks, which is another critical factor which is actually driving the global crude prices on the higher zone. Overall, I'm expecting a bullish trend in MCX crude futures, and we are expecting that the prices to move up to rupees 3,400 levels in the week ahead. One of the another critical factors that can support crude prices is in case there is a decline in American stockpiles or US crude inventories in this week, which would be another factor that can support the global crude prices in the week ahead. The second commodity that I will like to touch upon is on nickel, and nickel is among the best commodity in the base metal counter that is likely to remain bullish this week. The major critical demand is from the electronics sector as there is high demand in Germany and as well as in Indonesia. High demand for raw material from Philippines and Indonesia is expected to drive the MCX nickel futures in the coming weeks. Moreover, there is higher demand from the Chinese industries, and weaker US dollar index is another critical factor that can support the MCX nickel futures. Similar to crude oil, even the COVID-19 positive vaccine news is also another factor why the MCX nickel futures is likely to remain bullish. In the near future, we can expect that the MCX nickel futures to move up to 1230 levels in the week ahead. On a longer duration, we can expect that the MCX nickel December futures to move up to 1250 to 1260 levels by the end of this year. Overall, we are expecting a bullish momentum in the week ahead, and we are expecting that the prices of both nickel and crude oil to move ahead in the week ahead. Thank you, and I wish you all a very happy trading week.